everybody. I'm here today with one of the most iconic women of Chennai. As a young girl, I admired her deeply. She was my mother's age and she had this gorgeous boutique called Amrapali, and she was, glamorously dressed, gorgeously turned out. Truly, truly someone worth admiring. She's done so many things in life, reviving textiles. She's a foodie, written some award winning books on food. And today, in spite of what she calls her advanced age, though we all still think of her as very young, she is still doing something innovative and has started an NGO called Udavi to help senior citizens. She doesn't need an introduction, but here's the gorgeous, glamorous Sabita Radhakrishnan. But today, she's not going to talk about textiles, not about food, not about the challenges of growing old. She's here to talk about her childhood. So, Auntie, tell me how you played when you were young. Who you played with?
Anyway, thank you so much, Ashwini. Those days we didn't have electronic stimulation, right?
Absolutely.
We had to amuse ourselves, we had to do things. And our parents would always say, love the outdoor, போய் விளையாடு
வெயில
போய்
வேஸ்ட்
பண்ணு.
பண்ணாத.
ஆமா. Anyway, there were not much of restrictions put on us for the kind of things
Yeah.
because we were in a safe environment.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I always, which stays in my mind is, we used to call it butch, aeroplane butch.
Okay.
சொல்லுவோம். அது it was drawn in its squares and one portion had 3 squares,
Then
then
2,
2 and then a
1,
circle.
and then again 2.
அதுக்கு வந்து அந்த கல்லு அதை எடுத்து we used to highly polish it with whatever sandpaper இது அழகா வச்சு அதை எடுத்து இப்படி போடும். You had to jump on one leg.
It was a version of hopscotch or pandi. Yeah.
And so adu vandu it was really a wonderful thing for us. Then of course we had this palangoli where we had this thing, and usually what we had is beautifully carved case, and mostly it was in this shape of a fish. So we used to collect tamarind seeds for that, and adu vechi vilayaaduvom. That is one game we really enjoyed.
Who did you play with, Auntie?
See, on the time, little girls who came and visited us, so we used to play
Family,
with them.
friends?
It's friends, family. Those days, those were the days of cousins and get-togethers. We were not isolated like these days,
Correct.
nuclear homes. So we played with them, and then I would sneak off and call my maids. My father was a doctor, so he had a sprawling clinic. We lived upstairs. So these maids, during their off periods, I would call them. பாவம் அவங்களும் கொஞ்சம் விளையாடலான்ட்டு I call them, and they used to play, and they used to be scared of winning. I said, no, this is
You have to win.
Then one other thing which we loved is we had ஏழு கல்லன், the 7 stones. And on the kallu kuda we used to select it, black granite, get it polished and smooth. And then the ஏழு கல்லை இப்படி போட்டுட்டு then you throw up
and down.
that. Oh, that
Most people play with 5 stones. 7 is
நாங்க
ஏழு
ஏழு கல்ல பண்ணோம். And that was nice. Then one other fond memory I have is going to my Perima's house. See, we had a modernized version which was Ludo. And the pachis, adu vandu she had beautiful cloth இது வச்சிட்டு I think you have brought out something like that.
Yeah.
Very beautiful, and those colors I can't tell you. Those days it was vegetable dye. Sorry, I'm going back to textiles.
Of course. Who better to have an appreciation of
ரொம்ப
this?
அழகா இருக்கும் அது. அது வச்சு she used to, there was a special box. அதை மடிச்சு அங்க உள்ள வைப்பாங்க. So when we came, இப்ப விளையாடணுமா அப்படின்வாங்க. I said, பெரியமா, don't be so reluctant, give it to us. So பீரோ திறந்து கொடுப்பாங்க. And the coins, they were, I can't call them coins, they were like little domes, one on top of the other, and heavily lacquered, like the Kinnal toys you see in Karnataka. And some had faces, some had
how cute.
And what was beautiful was the dice. They were brass. அவ்வளோ அழகா, and the numbers were engraved. I still remember, black and deeply engraved. So one couldn't cheat and say you can't see the number properly. So அது ரொம்ப ஆடுவோம்.
So I think your appreciation for art and beauty and
Yeah.
textiles started with your games itself.
No, I did. அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும் எனக்கு எப்பவுமே. So that was another game we used to play. Then of course the usual thing like I Spy,
Huh.
catching, all those crazy things. And we used to play a game with cowdies.
Okay.
You know the ones with
I know
brown
cowdies,
and with
yeah.
spots. அது கூட வச்சு ஆடுவோம்.
எப்படி விளையாடுவீங்க அது?
See, that I'm trying to
How
recall.
many cowdies do you remember?
அது கூட
4, 5 or
இல்ல,
lots?
7.
ஏழு.
அது கூட 7 தான்.
That
The
you
way
need
they
to
turn.
remember and teach us.
Yes. No, I will. Because I'm sure some
Somebody
of my
will.
companions will remember.
So are you in touch with all your companions you played with?
Yes.
Any of them?
Yes.
Yes?
Quite a few of them.
And when you get together, do you talk about old memories, playing together?
We always do, no? We talk about the good old times. Then we all, as a child, I used to say, why do all these old people talk about the good old times?
Now
Why
that
don't
you're
they
old,
talk
you know why.
the good new times? Now I realize that every generation think that those were golden times. It's true.
And I think all of us, when we're young, we want to grow up.
Amma.
And when we grow up, we
You
wish
want to
we
go
were
down.
young again.
True. No, I have no regrets. I have no regrets about growing older. I've always felt that it's a natural process, and the more you fight it, the more you try to look young, it goes against you. So அது
Auntie,
பண்றதே இல்லை நான்.
You are gorgeous. You are more gorgeous in women half your age.
So I just and I don't believe in this, attempting to look half your age, and
Yeah.
it's pathetic. அப்புறம் cards விளையாடுவோம். But even those cards, I remember my father gave it to us. அது வேற மாதிரியே இருக்கும்.
Huh.
It wasn't like the cards
Regular
you play.
cards. Huh.
It had a king. King, that king, you should see how he was dressed up. The royal robes and jewelry and all. And my own sneaky feeling is that they could have been hand painted.
Were they Ganjifa cards by any chance, Auntie?
No.
Were
I
they
don't think so.
rounded?
They were not rounded.
Rounded?
No.
No, okay.
But they were cards, but they didn't have sharp edges.
So they
rounded
must have been handmade,
Yeah.
maybe ideas copied from the Ganjifa cards.
Maybe. But it was so fascinating, to hold them and play this sort of thing. So we had fun. I mean, of
Auntie,
course,
can you remember one memory that, if you close your eyes and think of play, what memory stands out for you?
what memory? Well, we used to play a game called sand castle on the
Okay.
beach.
Okay.
ஸோ இருக்கிற மண்ணெல்லாம் எடுத்து ஹாலோ பண்ணி அதை எடுத்து we used to make castles
Castles.
and இதெல்லாம். Then we used to go far, stand quite a distance away and pelt a stone.
To break the castle.
Castle படிக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு மனசே வராது. I used to feel so bad. I said, after all this labor of love,
You don't
why
want to
should
break
you go
the
and break
castle.
it? So I used to make little images, various things like rabbits or thing quite unconnected to the castle. அதான் உடைப்பேன். And then they all crumble into mud. எல்லாரும் கை தட்டி. So these are the
lovely, what
things.
memories.
Even today, like when my children were growing up, I used to tell them there's nothing more pleasurable than going to the beach and digging your hands into the sand.
The sand,
and
that
the
wet
sand
sand.
எடுத்து, to mold and make things.
The sensory
Yeah, that-
stimulation is
and it is important, I think, for children to do that.
If you had a chance to play one game again with somebody from your childhood, what would that be?
See, I'd like to play Butch, but I
Okay.
don't think I can walk on one leg anymore.
No, we're only fantasizing. So, Butch, with who would you like to play? Which friend would you like to play Butch with?
Oh, there was a friend of mine called Jagadishwari. We were actually friends right from our college days, and we were girls. We talked about simple things and all that. If ever I could play, I'd like to play.
Play
with her.
Butch with Jagadishwari.
Yes.
Where is Jagadishwari?
She's now in Anna Nagar.
Okay.
We haven't met in a while because you know what a long journey it is. But I promised her I'll come one day and have,
So,
lunch with her.
Jagadishwari, if you're listening, Savita auntie would love to play a game of Butch with you. And if she can't play, she'd at least like to talk about it.
Yes.
Because after all, it's all about the games. Thank you, auntie.